Good evening, everyone. My greeting to everyone, and my greeting to my respected town in Italy. I greet them with all my love I have for Italian people. This is it's a meraviglioso town, a town I respect too much. The people I respect too much. I respect this town with all my heart because of this is the town that adopted me. I'm one of them, and I'm giving this video to my co-African continent and my co-Africa people, especially the one living in Italy. And I'm bringing it out with this language here for everyone to listen, especially those people that just came who is not hearing the language very well. I'm telling, I have to give this message that to say to every one of us that this we are living in a critical time in Italy. Is really passing a critical time. We all see what is going around because of this coronavirus. How other countries before what happened for today. I'll be giving some messages in WhatsApp telling people how the passing of Pastor is on the 27th. But this time, I said I will do video for people to understand more. Italian just give a five pass of regulation that we should do now. The total thing they now say for this recent, since yesterday now, is for everyone to stay at home. And this coronavirus is real. They ask everyone to remain at home for everyone to respect this law. And when you are going out, you go out only on the condition if it is necessary. They ask everyone to make sure you keep to the rules and regulation. Why? Because not to spread this coronavirus. Because if you are not working in an hospital, you will not understand what is going on. Coronavirus is really deadly. A section of those that is working on with them talk to the people that is under care intensive that know what they are talking about. My fellow continent, my fellow brothers, people should be careful. The regulation is so simple. They say we should not go close to people. That you should have one metric. When you are talking with your co-friends, your co-family, giving a metric. When you are outside, don't hug anyone, don't give harm to anyone. Wash your hand regularly. Don't touch your nose, don't touch your eyes, don't touch your mouth. Those are the things they ask you to do, to remain inside your house. This is the new law that just passed from yesterday to today. A section of the one that be passing all this way because since this thing started on the 20th of February, this thing, 7th of February, this thing have been going on for different regulation. At the first time, they closed a little group of city where this thing happened. Later, they expand the city, and later they now put in it because as the thing is growing, so the government is taking actions to restrict the contamination. That is to allow this thing to contaminate to other people, to pass this virus to one another. This is a virus. What do they call it? It's a disease that passes from one man to another. It's a thing we have to be careful. This is not joke. I'm not under political aspect. I'm under medical aspects. But what I'm telling you now is true. There are some videos I could have loved to show to people to see, but it's private. It's not a thing I must bring out to show to you. But I have a testimony to tell you that this thing is real. Please, virus doesn't have nationality. It doesn't have language. It doesn't have boy or girl, old, young, baby. Virus is virus. It go from one to one. This is not the time we should say, for God's sake, it doesn't happen to black. No, virus doesn't have nationality. Virus go to wherever he able to hide himself. He's escaping from one person to another. Please. Especially now that we are going to the time, this temperature that is different. Especially to people that live in the northern part of Italy know what I'm talking about. This is called allergic. We are going to this season now. And we know this season, a lot of people are always sick of flus. What do they call it in pidgin English? A cold. So people say, I'm feeling cold, I have headache, I'm feeling, since yesterday my bone is weak. You know, these are the symptoms of virus. And it's almost the same symptoms with the allergic. What we call allergia here. So sometimes it's very difficult for you to know exactly what is happening to someone. Because of this virus that is going on, people that have this allergy should be careful. Because virus is easily to attack people like that. You be saying I'm flus, and that flus become, if you have virus, you don't have virus. If you go outside and you have flus, people see you, you sneeze, at you. People will run away from you. You will be isolated. That is why I'm giving this video message. If you know you have not important place or important things to do outside, don't go outside. And worst part of it, there's a new law they passed out. When the police caught you outside, that you have nothing to show that is important you are going to do outside, it's 3 months jail. It is written. 3 months. And 206 euro, the tax you are going to pay. That's the fine. Then 3 months. Do you want to go to jail? Ask yourself a beautiful question. And another thing you people should know, like mothers, that say they want to go from one place to another or take their baby to the playing ground, like what do they call it outside where they take their baby to. Please, it's not the time. The people they asked to go to work now, if they accepted it, because there's a law passed out. It's not like your document, your certificate, or whatever they call it, carta d'identità. It's not like that one. It's another document that is out now that every workers is giving to their own workers people. Every of the leaders is giving to their worker. It's a certificate. It's a booklet that you are going to fill that this is you. Especially those that are allowed to work. Only the 2 sectors that they want to be working in Italy now, maybe it's going to be finally close all the bar, close everything finally, because there are some still bar they are allowed to work from 9 to 6 or 5:30 a.m. in the evening. There are some still bar they are allowed to open from this hour to this hour. But I think from tomorrow on next, there are some bar they are finally going to close. And nothing. The only thing you see is just those people that is going to be working under sanitation, or those people that is working under a limitation, which is called food assets. Those people that is working in the supermarket, working where they can provide food, and those people that is working those people I contact to the people that is sick. That will be the only people working. And if it come to that, it's just like everyone is under house arrest. It's equivalent to that. But when you are in your house, you don't have problem. When you are in your house, you don't get affected. It's only when somebody in your house already have it, that's when it's going to talk to each one. And again, I pass my message to those, our beautiful sisters and our beautiful brothers who is doing this job that they are still doing in the streets. You don't know who is your client. You don't know who is giving you something. Please, stay in your house. They ask everyone to remain at home. If they caught you, the police caught you, the police are not going to put on uniform. The new police they brought, like the area I am, I don't want to mention the name. The area I am now, at about a week or 10 days ago, not 2 weeks, they brought about 8,000 official of Carabinieri. They brought it to my own city where I am. There are 2 hotels they closed down, just only them staying there. In the morning, the only thing you hear is their siren that is coming out, the way they go out on different places, they are blocking around. And now they not told they not to put on uniform anymore, to start putting on normal dress, just to get those people that doesn't want to follow the law, those people that don't want to respect the indigent, the land that is giving him love, those people that doesn't want to care for their life and they think they are okay, so they want to spread it. Please, this is not the time we say no black should have hand in it. God is with me. God is with everybody. God is not only with you, with everybody. It might not affect you. You might have it might not affect you immediately, but you pass it to the next person, and that person have a problem already. His own health is not completed. It's already having a health problem. It will attack the person immediately because already having that problem of health, and the virus enter immediately. Actually, you get the person affected immediately. But you that have a complete health, you are still normal. But it is you that pass it to the person. So this thing is a thing you don't see. Just count it as a devil that you don't see, but he's fighting. Please, my fellow brothers and sisters, like for example, in the place I am, in my own commune here, the man's name is Marcello, in Prefettura. I don't want to mention the city. The man here is talking about example of what we're going to do. When he come out to talk about example, he put on the mascara, he put on everything. He set example for us to follow. Please, this continent, this beautiful town that love us, that give us shelters, that keep us within there, that take us as one of them, let's respect their law. Let's love them back and love ourselves too. Love our family, love your family, or everyone. This is not the time you people gathering, people that is still going from churches to churches. I thank God the man, the ministry of the culture of religions have taken his own action over this thing too. He's still talking about that he's going to